Hello fellow travelers, getting ready for a trip is always exciting. But sometimes, figuring out the rules for luggage can feel a little overwhelming. Don't worry, I'm here to help. We're going to unpack, pun totally intended, all the latest information about carry-on baggage policies for 2026. These rules are changing, so it's important to be in the know before you go. First things first, let's talk about size. You know how airlines have those little boxes to check if your bag fits? Well, those boxes are getting standardized. The International Air Transport Association, or IATA, has recommended a new size for carry-on bags, 21.5 inches, or 55 centimeters tall, 13.5 inches, or 35 centimeters wide, and 7.5 inches, or 20 centimeters deep. Now, here's the catch. Not all airlines are on board with this recommendation just yet. If you're jetting off to Europe, be prepared for some specific guidelines. British Airways, for instance, allows one carry-on bag and one personal item, like a purse or laptop bag. However, the weight limit for the carry-on can be as low as 50 pounds or 23 kilograms depending on your fare class, so be sure to check before you pack your entire shoe collection. Meanwhile, across the pond, North American airlines have their own rules. Air Canada generally follows the IATA guidelines for carry-on size. The weight limit for your carry-on with Air Canada is typically 22 pounds or 10 kilograms for most fares. In the United States, airlines like Delta and United also have their own size and weight restrictions, which can vary depending on the type of ticket you purchase. Remember the days of frantically stuffing your toiletries into tiny plastic bags at security? The stress of holding up the line while you fumbled through your carry-on, trying to find that rogue bottle of shampoo? Yeah, those moments are etched into the memories of frequent flyers everywhere. Well, get ready for a blast from the past, because those days are making a comeback, at least in Europe. Starting in 2024, the European Union is reintroducing stricter liquid restrictions at airport security checkpoints. That's right, after years of relaxed rules at some airports with advanced scanners, the EU is tightening things up again. So if you're planning a trip to or through Europe, it's time to brush up on the rules. The new regulations mean you'll only be allowed to carry liquids in containers no larger than 100 milliliters, or 3.4 ounces. That includes everything from your toothpaste and face wash to your favorite travel-sized cologne. And yes, all of those containers must fit comfortably into a single, clear, resealable, quart-sized plastic bag. No exceptions. If it doesn't fit, it doesn't fly. This means being extra strategic with your packing. Think ahead. Do you really need that full-size moisturizer for a weekend trip? Probably not. And if you're someone who likes to bring back local sauces, perfumes, or other liquid souvenirs, you'll want to make sure those go in your checked luggage. So, just a heads up, plan ahead, pack smart, and double-check your carry-on before heading to the airport. It might feel like a step backward, but a little preparation can save you a lot of hassle at the gate. Let's face it, navigating airport security and baggage rules can sometimes feel like an Olympic sport. Between the long lines, last-minute gate changes, and ever-evolving airline policies, it's easy to feel overwhelmed before your trip even begins. But don't worry, with a little planning and these handy tips, you'll breeze through like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or heading out for your first big adventure, these strategies will help you stay calm, organized, and ready for takeoff. First off, do your homework. A smooth trip starts well before you even leave for the airport. Research your airline's policies, your destination's entry requirements, and any travel advisories that might affect your plans. Before you even start packing, take a few minutes to visit your airline's website. Look for updates on baggage allowances, check-in procedures, and whether mobile boarding passes are accepted at your departure airport. Double-check their specific carry-on size and weight limits, because these can vary not just by airline, but even by route or aircraft type. You don't want to be that person repacking at the check-in counter, as well as any restrictions on items like liquids or electronics. TSA and international security rules can differ, so make sure your toiletries are in the right size containers and your electronics are easy to access for screening, and then, pack smart. Use packing cubes to keep your items organized and consider rolling your clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Make a checklist of essentials so you don't forget anything important. Think about the essentials you'll need during your flight, like your passport, headphones, snacks, a refillable water bottle, and any medications. And keep those close at hand. Pack those in your personal item like a backpack or tote bag, which fits under the seat in front of you. This way, you won't have to dig through your main carry-on mid-flight. That way, even if you need to gate check your carry-on bag, which can happen when flights are full or aircrafts are smaller, you'll still have your must-haves within reach. A little preparation goes a long way in making your travel day smoother, more comfortable, and a lot less stressful. Packing light isn't just about avoiding baggage fees. It's about freedom, flexibility, and making your journey as stress-free as possible. When you pack smart, you're not just saving money. You're investing in a smoother, more enjoyable travel experience from start to finish. Think about it. No more dragging oversized suitcases through crowded terminals or struggling to fit your bag into a taxi. With a well-packed carry-on, you move with ease and confidence. You're more agile, more in control, and way less likely to feel overwhelmed. Easy breezy. Imagine gliding through the airport without lugging around a heavy suitcase. You can skip the long lines at check-in, breeze through security, and head straight to your gate without breaking a sweat. It's a game changer, especially during tight layovers or busy travel seasons. And once you're on the plane, no need to worry about whether your bag made it. It's right there with you. Safe, secure, and within reach. That peace of mind, priceless. You'll be amazed at how much more energy you have to explore your destination. And hey, save time. Less time waiting for bags means more time soaking in the sights, trying new foods and making memories. Checking a bag can add precious minutes or even hours to your travel time. Lost luggage, delayed baggage claims, and long lines can turn a smooth trip into a stressful one. With just a carry-on, you can skip the baggage carousel and head straight to your adventures. Whether you're catching a train, meeting a friend, or diving into a new city, you're already on your way, while others are still waiting by the conveyor belt. I know, waking up early isn't always fun, but trust me, when it comes to catching a flight, there's no such thing as being too early. Security check. Airport security lines can be unpredictable, especially during peak travel times. By arriving with plenty of time to spare, you'll avoid the stress of potentially missing your flight. There you have it, your guide to navigating the ever-changing world of carry-on baggage policies. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. By staying informed, packing smart, and giving yourself extra time at the airport, you'll be free to focus on what really matters, enjoying your trip. Happy travels.